I am going to make a screen recording to show you how to make these simple wooden steps into your house. The total height of a porch is 3 feet or 36 inches. We are going to have 4 steps up into the house. So 36 divided by 4 means that the step height is approximately 9 inches. These 3 steps will total 27 inches at this point. So here's how you need to get started. Start with a new window in SketchUp, and I want to, actually I will make a brand new window, so we'll both be starting out in the same place. I'm going to delete the woman that appears there for size, and then I'm going to draw a step that is 4 feet by 12 inches, and I want to zoom in, and I'm going to raise that step up 2 inches, excuse me, and orbit around. So I need to triple click and right click and make it into a component. We're going to name this step. Okay, now right now it's on the ground. It needs to be up a total of 9 inches. I'm going to move this up. I'm not going to move it up 9 inches. I'm going to move it up 7, but you'll see that that works out to be correct. So with the move tool, I'm going to start bringing it up. It's at 7, or I could type in 7. And now if I measure from here to this point, I'll see that that's actually 9 inches. So the first one has to move up 7 inches. After this, we'll be moving them up 9 inches. Okay, I've made one step, and since this is a component, I can copy it, and I will do that with the Move tool. I'm going to tap the Alt here to bring off a copy and just put it right there. And now I'm going to move this one up, but I'm going to move it up 9. And we'll measure that just to make sure it's correct. So I want it from this point to here to be 9 inches, and it is. And then I'm going to repeat this process one more time. So I'm going to press Alt and bring off a copy, and then move, and I'm going to move it up along the blue axis 9. So the first one was up 7. The next 2 are each up 9. The next thing I'm going to make is the riser, and that one is pretty easy. I think I will put it in a little bit from the step, so I'm just going to bring it in 1 inch here, and I'm going to make it a rectangle that is 2 inches by 2 inches by 1 foot. 1 foot is the depth of the step, and then I want this one to be on the ground, and that, I believe, let's see, how much is that? That's 7. Okay, so that'll be a 7-inch riser, we're going to call this piece. Okay, and it's right on the red there where it should be. I'm going to triple click this and make it into a component and call it small riser, because when I put them all together, that'll be the large riser. And now I simply need to put one here and here. So I want to measure in a guideline at 1 inch, and I'm going to do the same thing here so I have them all correct. Okay, so now I'm going to make a Move tool, Alt, and just put it right there, and then we're going to Move tool, Alt, and take this point and put it there, okay, up at that intersection. Okay, this is what we have so far. Now I'm going to edit, And I want to edit this riser. It's a component, remember. I'm going to go down to Edit Component. And I'm going to draw a line from here to here. I want to make a triangle out of this. So I'm going to draw a line from here to here to here, and that's enough to draw that triangular shape all the way down. And then I'm going to pull it through so it becomes the thickness, okay? And I don't want this one piece down here, and actually I am able to come down and edit just this one out. I'm going to choose this and explode it. That will allow me to get rid of this without affecting those parts. Okay, so now we're going to triple click all of, whoops, I'm not going to do that. I'm actually just going to click on each one of these, and I guess I need to, so can I triple click? Yeah, okay. I'm going to just make that a group. And now I'm going to select this, and I'm going to make all of these a group as well. A group is something you don't want to edit, but you want it to move as one piece. Now I want to move that riser. I want to put down one here at this end, and I want to put one in the middle. So first let me make some marks. So I have these, and I want to make a center mark here. I should be able to find my center. It's 2 feet regardless, because this was 4 feet, correct? 2 feet, 1/2 inch. There we go, 2 feet. That's my center, but that, why don't I make it from here? How much smarter is that? So 2 feet, and then I'm going to come out 1 more inch because of the thickness, and then I'm going to make another, I'm going to make another guide from this end in 1 inch, and then I'm simply going to copy my group, and I believe I can just do that the same way. It's all grouped, and so I'm going to use the Move tool, and I want Alt, and I should be, whoa, yep, that's doing it. And I'm just going to put it at that mark that I made, and then slide along, and I'm going to use the Move tool again. This time I'm going to come over on the other side, Alt, and line that one up here. And if I orbit around, it's totally great. And the one thing I want to make sure of is that my total height of this is actually 27. And so from here to here that's 2 feet, 2 inches plus another, so that's 24, 25, plus another 2 inches up here is 27. It's 27. One last thing that will make this nice is to pull the face of this step out some, and since it's a component, if I edit this particular one, it will pull the other steps out as well. And that's just kind of a nice little adjustment to make. Okay, so looks great. That's all you need to do, and good luck. I'll hide the let's delete the guide so we can see it in all its glory. Most likely you can come along and delete these lines. I'm not going to right now.